Hey, nice to see you again. It's Christy, and I'll be your instructor for this lesson. Today is a very special day. Do you know what day it is? Hey, no, it's not my birthday. Is it your birthday? That would be cool. It's the day we learn about variables, so that's really cool. Let's code. Variables are used to store information for use in a computer program. Variables allow us to give a name to our data, so our program can be understood more clearly by a programmer. This is done by creating a label and a location in the computer's memory where we can store the data. Variables can change values, but the name, or label, stays the same. This is what makes variables so useful. Let's discuss a couple examples and then see how we can create a variable in Scratch. I'm going to use examples from my favorite sport and my favorite team, cricket and the Rajasthan Royals. I know, some of you in Asia and the Americas don't follow cricket, but that's okay. Trust me, you'll still be able to follow along. The Rajasthan Royals have asked me to write a program in Scratch to track the runs in each match. I create a variable and give it the name score. I set the original value to 0. Each time a run is scored, I update the score by pressing the right arrow. And then if I make a mistake, I can adjust the score by pressing the left arrow. Now the match starts. Okay, the Royals are at bat. The variable score is 0, and yes, the Royals score a run. I press the right arrow key and the program updates the variable by 1 run. Score equals 1. Ooh, wow, the batsman hit a boundary. The Royals score 4 runs. Yes, go Royals. I press the right arrow key 4 times and the program updates the variable. Score equals 5. Oh, that was exciting and pretty easy to understand, right? Here's another example. In this example, we want to create 2 variables, x position and y position. These will keep track of the x and y positions as we move using the 4 arrow keys. The logic's similar here. We set the initial values to 0, 0, which is the center of our screen. If we move the sprite, the program changes the variables to track the position. All right, on to the exercises and projects. I know you have this down. I'll see you in the next lesson, and go Royals!